Okay, I've had some of you parents asking me about the new 2024 KTM 50 and 65 SX. I told you I know they're both all new machines, and they're supposed to be coming sometime this fall. But I found what I believe are the first, the first glimpses of this new bike. Let's check it out. So this appears to be a track, a local track in Austria, and you can see this is a Husky 65 right here. Just came off the whole shot. As you can see, it's got the new shroud design, the design that the big bikes have had for a few years, really. The one that mimics a Viking battle axe. The Husky 65s, the Husky youth bikes had never gotten this design shroud yet. So this must be the new bike. Let's move to the next picture. Here's just another shot of the bike coming off the line, and then here we see the same thing with the KTM. Let's see if we can get a better shot of this KTM. And okay, there we go. So right there you can see this KTM has the new shroud design. So safe to say that this is the new Husky 65 and KTM 65. Now, the pictures here aren't near good enough to really start looking into what changes they made on the bikes, but from what I've heard, I've been told that the 50 got a new clutch, and that it has like another horsepower and a half, which is a lot for a two-stroke 50cc. I've been hearing that the KTM even called this Project Mongoose, because a mongoose kills a cobra. So I don't know, kind of interesting. I heard the 65 got substantially more horsepower too, but you guys just wanted to see these mini bikes get an update. It had been a few years, and you've got it now. So I've heard we're going to see these bikes in maybe November. So keep your eye out. First glimpses of the new bikes here. Thanks to the person that sent me over these pictures. Appreciate it very much.